Okay guys, a couple of things to do before this part of the base is finished. This is a standardized base. I need to drill a hole in the side of one of the faces, and I need to start adding some surface textures, so I'm going to do that now. Remember please that if you're going to drill a hole, so you need to draw a circle, then push the circle through, you need to enter the group. So there's no point in drawing a hole on here and trying to push it through the shape. You won't be able to do it because it's not part of the group. So in my example, I'm going to draw on this surface just here. So I can either orbit around, or I can use this to help me. These are the views. So I think I'm on front view there. What I'm going to do is double click on that. So I've entered the group, and you can see where other parts of the drawing are kind of interconnected, but not part of this group. They're grayed out. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, obviously if you're going to do this by hand, you would mark out really carefully on your timber before you drill the hole. That's exactly what I'm going to do here. So I know this is 100 mm in total, so click from one edge, type in 50 mm, and because of the base I can't go halfway, so I'm going to go down about, I think about 20, excuse me. Okay, so that's where the hole is going to go. I draw a circle, click, and drag out. Now the hole we need is 20 mm in diameter, and you'll notice that as I've started to draw it says radius. So the radius obviously is 10. Done. Get rid of those guidelines. Orbit so I can see what I'm doing, and then push pull through. Okay. Now there is a danger that if you just go push pull, you're going to push right through the shape and you're going to end up with a cylinder on the reverse, which you don't want. So type in 12 mm and it should extrude right through the surface. There you go. Once you're happy with that, click away, and then you can go into your paint bucket and choose the most appropriate effect. I don't think pine is in there. We'll have to see if we can sort that out, but you choose colours that you think are most appropriate. Because the objects are grouped, it colours the entire object rather than just one surface. So there you go guys, there is your basic base. Hopefully by the time you get to the stage you'll understand how to mark out accurately using the tape measure tool, how to push pull, and how to create your objects. You should have enough skills to at least start creating a three-dimensional drawing of the design for the top of your base. Now obviously there are 45 of us, so there can be 45 different designs, so it's going to rely you on applying the skills and knowledge that you've gained in these tutorials in order to be able to create your own drawing. Now if that's difficult for whatever reason, don't feel afraid to come and speak to us. We're here to help, and we want to make sure that you get it right. So come and speak to us if you find it difficult, or there's something particularly complex about your design. Otherwise, give it a good old go. Okay. Just one other thing. I've just noticed on here that thick and thin lines have been employed on the object. So just exactly as we did with the sketching tutorials at the beginning, you can see that each line that doesn't have two surfaces present, so this is obviously a solid shape, so you can't see the reverse, that becomes a thick line, thick line, thick line, thick line around the outside. Okay guys, good luck.